If paint is sold in 1 gallon containers only, how many containers of paint are needed to complete the job? Only is our word of greatest highlight. This is quite a simple problem if we reflect on the number of gallons of paint that is required. 72.64 gallons, that's what we have. That's the number of gallons of paint required. And paint is sold in 1 gallon containers only. Each container holds a gallon of paint. It is therefore a no-brainer that we need 7.64 containers, we think. There we have it. Paint is sold in 1 gallon containers only, and the volume of paint required is 72.64 gallons. Therefore, it is straightforward that we need 72.64 containers. However, the word only in the statement tells us that no fraction of a gallon can be bought. Therefore, as long as a certain whole number of gallons is exceeded, even by the smallest fraction, an additional gallon must be bought. The existence of that non-zero fraction means that the whole number needs to be increased by 1. We will therefore need 73 containers. This process is equivalent to rounding to the nearest whole number, but only because the 10th digit, which is the 6, is 5 or greater. If the 10th digit were 1, we would still need to add 1 to the whole number in order to get the excess paint required, which is not the same as rounding to the nearest whole number. What we are saying is that because paint is sold in 1 gallon containers only, even if we have the smallest fraction, we will still need to buy an extra gallon of paint. Therefore, having a 6 as the 10th digit means that in ordinary mathematics, we will be rounding to the nearest whole number. However, if the 10th digit were, say, 1, we would still need to buy 73 containers of paint, because the fact that we have leftovers that will have to be placed in an extra container. So as long as we have a fraction remaining, whether the 10th digit is greater than or equal to 5 or less than 5, we still would need to add 1 to the 1's digit in that particular case. Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.